Right, let's have a look at how many miles it has on that. So go to this one. And then have a look at this one. Okay, now let's start both bikes.